Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get live data on interactive brokers. First, understand that live market data is essential for making timely and informed trading decisions. Interactive brokers provide several options for subscribing to real-time data feeds tailored to different trading needs. We'll walk through the necessary steps to ensure you have access to the most current market information available. To begin, you'll need an active interactive broker's account with sufficient funds. Some premium data packages may require a minimum account balance, so it's good to check those specifics. Remember, most real-time data subscriptions come with monthly fees, which vary depending on the exchanges and data types you choose. It's a small investment for up-to-the-minute market insights. Subscribing is straightforward. Log into your client portal or trader workstation, then navigate to the settings section. From there, find Market Data Subscriptions. You'll see a list of available exchanges and data packages. Simply select the ones that fit your trading strategy, review the associated fees, and confirm your choices to activate your real-time data. Once subscribed, it's important to verify that your live data is streaming correctly. Open your trader workstation and check your watch lists for real-time price updates. You should see prices changing instantly. Also, ensure your trading platform settings are configured to display these live feeds, allowing you to utilize the most current market information for your trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.